Once upon a time, in the world of the Sargams, Chotu SRGoo was really excited. He had an evening planned with his friends at the park, and they were really looking forward to using the swing, playing on the slide, and running around. But it was the month of June, and that's about when the rainy season starts. And that day, suddenly, the sky began to look a little different. Dark clouds gathered. The wind whooshed. There were loud claps of thunder and streaks of lightning. And then, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. It's raining! Shouted Didi SRGoo, running to the window. The first rain of the season! Said Mama SRGoo, smiling. Yay! Said Chotu SRGoo, excitedly running around the house. We'll have even more fun at the park. Dada SRGoo looked outside. I don't think that would be a good idea today. Why not? Asked Chotu SRGoo, who suddenly stopped. Because, said Mama SRGoo gently, it's raining heavily. There's thunder and lightning in the sky. It's dark, visibility is low, and the park will be all muddy and slippery. Chotu SRGoo froze. No park, no swings, no slide. His face crumpled. But I was so excited, he said. This is not fair. I don't like the rain. Didi SRGoo gently said. Sometimes plans change, Chotu SRGoo, but I don't want them to change, he huffed. Mama SRGoo smiled and said, then let's make our own little rain magic. Rain magic? Asked Chotu SRGoo. Yes, said Mama SRGoo. When plans change because of a reason, we find a new way to have fun. And she added, I always find new ways to play when plans don't go my way. Chotu SRGoo crossed his arms, not very happy, but whispered, say this with me. I always find new ways to play when plans don't go my way. Just then, Dada SRGoo clapped his hands. Okay, SRGoos, indoor picnic time. Picnic? Inside the house? Asked Chotu SRGoo. Yay! Said Didi SRGoo. Let's spread a mat in the living room. Dada SRGoo cleared out the living room and laid out a big chatai. Mama SRGoo made garam pakoras and chai. Chotu SRGoo got his favorite cushions. And Didi SRGoo put on some lovely rain music. And slowly, Chotu SRGoo smiled. Okay, this is nice, he said. And what do we say? Asked Didi SRGoo. Chotu SRGoo grinned and said, say this with me. I always find new ways to play when plans don't go my way. After eating, Dada SRGoo smiled and said, and now for some outdoor rain fun! Paper boats! Boats? Asked Chotu SRGoo. Yes, said Dada SRGoo. Let me show you what to do. Let's recycle some old newspapers and then we'll fold them and so he taught them how to fold old newspapers into little boats, and off they went down to the building compound where small puddles had formed. Chotu SRGoo gently placed his boat in a puddle. It's sailing! He shouted. Didi SRGoo raced her boat next to his. Dada SRGoo made a fancy, sleek, big boat, but it sank in 1 second. Everyone burst out laughing. And Dada SRGoo smiled and said, say this with me. I always find new ways to play when plans don't go my way. Come on, come on, come on. You guys are all wet and cold. Let's have some hot khichdi and curry to warm ourselves, Mama Sargu said. Later back at home, while having their delicious khichdi, Dada Sargu looked out the window and said, "Oh my, it's really raining cats and dogs today." Chotu Sargu ran to the window crying, "What? Where? Where?" And no matter how hard he looked, he couldn't see any cats or dogs. "Dada, that was mean of you. I don't see it raining cats and dogs," laughed Didi Sargu. "Raining cats or dogs doesn't mean that cats and dogs fall from the sky, silly. It's just an expression which means it's raining really, really heavily." "You know what I like to say when it rains cats and dogs?" asked Dada Sargu with a twinkle in his eye. "What?" cried Didi and Chotu Sargu. "When it rains cats and dogs," Dada Sargu said, "you must be careful and not step on a poodle." He laughed at his pun, replacing the word puddle with the dog breed poodle. They all laughed. "I thought today would be boring," said Chotu Sargu softly. Mama Sargu smiled. And it became one of the most fun days," he said. Didi Sargu added, "Because we didn't stop the fun, we just changed it." "And you know where the real rain magic comes from, right?" said Dada Sargu. "From our attitude, which is," he prompted them, and they all cried. Say this with me. "I always find new ways to play when plans don't go my way." The end.